Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I'm gonna make, before I lay it down for a while, I'm gonna make a pecan pie out of this Golden Eagle syrup that a viewer sent me. I've never used it, but they said it was like bomb.com, so that's what I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna use the recipe on the back for pecan pie, okay? Let's see. Okay, we're going to slightly beat the eggs and mix in the sugar. So we're going to have 3 eggs. The imaginary farmer loves pecan pie. It's not my favorite, but I like it okay. But if I'm trying to watch my weight, which obviously I'm not right now, this is a safe one to have around the house for me personally, because it's not my thing unless there's chocolate chips in it. I'm just saying. So I'm gonna do 3 eggs, and it says to mix those together. I was waiting to see who would mention this outfit. I bought these for, I bought it for Halloween to wear to work, and then I hurt myself and couldn't go. So honestly, it's like real comfortable and real warm, and I just thought it'd be funny to kind of stir it up a little bit on this kind of like snowed in kind of day. You know what I mean? Anyway, and I'm a farmer's wife, so you know, it is kind of funny, even though the imaginary farmer said, "What in the world do you have on?" I'm trying to see. Y'all know I can't see that good. What am I cooking this on? Hold on. 50 to 55 minutes. 325. Let me put that 325. Somebody said, is this a turkey or a rooster? I don't know. It's a rooster, ain't it? Is this a rooster? It's a rooster. The farmer says it's a rooster, y'all. Okay, I didn't really know. I ain't trying to be funny. I really didn't know. Anyway, 3 eggs. Then we're going to use a half a cup of white granulated sugar and mix that in without getting the rooster thing in there. This might not have been the best choice of costume for sure. Okay, anyway. And then I'm going to add the syrup, the salt, and the vanilla. And, 2 tablespoons of butter melted. Okay, hold on. I got to get 2 tablespoons of butter melted. Let me rinse this booger out. I just thought this costume might make it kind of a memorable one. I won't have trouble titling it because it'll be, you know, that pecan pie I made in that rooster costume. Just saying, you don't ever know what you'll do for entertainment when you're empty nesting and your kids aren't home, and I'm just saying. Anyway, 2 tablespoons of butter and salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give that a dash. Vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to use this vanilla bean paste. Y'all know how I love this. And I'm going to eyeball out. You can never have enough vanilla, in my opinion. But there we go. Okay, let me grab the butter. It's not real hot. I don't want it to cook my eggs, so I'm going to keep this moving. And then the syrup, the Golden Eagle syrup. Let me get all that in here. I tasted it on my finger when I measured it up. It's good. It's, I guess it's the equivalent of Karo syrup. I don't know. But literally, somebody mailed it to me, one of the viewers. I love it. I love that kind of stuff. To try it or whatever. And from where they're from, she said this is all we use. So I'm down trying new stuff. Okay, so now we've got everything incorporated except the pecans. So 1 cup of chopped pecans. Oh, there goes that rooster thing. Hold on. Okay, I won't be cooking in this thing again. I ain't going to tell you that. I might just put it on and like cluck around the kitchen for entertainment. Or maybe I don't know. I don't know. These are the only kind of days I can wear something like this without sweating. Okay, there you have it. I'm going into a ready-made frozen pie shell. And I'm going to add a little southern flair to it. When my mama made pecan pies, hold on. My mama put whole pecans on the top. And that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to put this in a 325 degree oven for 50 to 55 minutes. Let's see if I can do this justice. Oh gosh, this is going to take a while. Okay, listen, I'm going to come back to y'all, show y'all what this looks like before it goes in the oven. I'll actually just take a picture, and then I'll take a picture of the finished product because the imaginary farmer's going to take it out of the oven for me when the buzzer rings. So anyway, just so you know, pecan pie with the Golden Eagle syrup that somebody sent me. I love it. All right, guys, I'm out. I'll show you a picture of it in a minute.